Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are a Kindle reader, then this is going to be your favorite thing.
This is the 3-in-1 Kindle pillow stand from LORAK, and it has everything and then some. Not only can you hold your Kindle with it, but it has a snack bowl, and you can also use it as a tablet stand or a laptop holder. It is so cute and soft. I absolutely love the way the pillow feels, and it holds my Kindle absolutely perfectly. There's no tipping over. It is super sturdy, and it even fits my Kindle with or without its case on. I love that you can also take this all apart and wash the pillow in case you get anything spilt on it. It is super easy to disassemble, toss that in the washing machine, and you are back to reading in comfort.
You are going to absolutely love this. It is the perfect companion, and that's my point of view.